Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today. Looks like with 3 trades. I like to do minimum 3 trades and or more. Just depends on how the charts are lining up. Today's date is July the 7th and I am using my new FX trigger system. Now before I get into these trades, I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time. And that includes all my trigger systems. Now it took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. Now if you want to get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you will have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy this education and then you must do the homework or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than one trade at a time, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. That is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I will put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And I would also like to point out that all indicators are lagging except for price action, like on these Japanese candlesticks, and the Williams. You'll notice that if it's a blue candle, Williams will be going up, and if it's a red candle, Williams will be going down. Those are the only 2, at least on my chart here, that are leading indicators. All the rest are lagging, including obviously the trigger system. So when I'm taking a trade, I'm trading multiple different ways. Like from the bottom here to the goal line, that's a pullback. So this trade right here on the pound Aussie was a pullback, obviously going against the red arrow here. And as you can see, this was just the beginning of this huge move. And you will see this every day, and you have to learn how to trade it. Trading pullbacks, trading around the goal line, trading when it breaks through, going totally the opposite direction, that's a reversal. These are all things that you have to learn. So let's drag and drop this up and see where I got in at on this trade. As I said, it was starting to go up here, and that's why I jumped in, but I knew that it could do a cycle. Now the main reason, and I'm not going to get into too much details as I teach it within the training videos, but looking at the blue boxes and also drill down the lights. I learned that 15 years ago. You have to drill down the lights. I'm a day trader, so I start with the daily, 4 hours, 1 hour. I analyze the charts, and once I knew that it was going to go up, I took the trade knowing that it can still do a cycle. Not a big deal. Took the trade, finally it went, and it produced, looks like 25 pips, and 25 pips on the pound Aussie paid $1,871. Now moving on to the next trade I took, pound CAD. Let's drag and drop it up. You can see where I got in at. It's another one. I knew that the pound pairs were going to go up because I did drill down the lights, and they were suggesting in an upcycle, plus the 2 moving averages crossed here. It decided to do another cycle. That's just the way the market goes, and you have to be prepared for that. All successful traders trade exactly the same way. On my trigger system, I was getting a buy signal, not on the by the arrows here, but if you go to a higher time frame, it will be showing blue. In other words, to be buying, and they're all through here. These are all buy signals. I took the trade knowing it might do another cycle. Now that didn't bother me. And then of course I closed it out as it hit the top ADR up here, and I was happy with 40 pips, and 40 pips on the pound CAD paid $3,199. Remember, what is very important is you have to learn how to trade the markets. And once you learn how to trade the flow of the market, and you know the overall trend from the higher time frames, you will start to find success in the near future, as long as you do the homework. Moving right along, last trade, pound dollar. Now on today, it wasn't the pound pushing it like right now, and it's not even near the 80%, just to let you know that. But on this pound dollar, it was the USD, which was very strong, and that is why the pound dollar went down. So let's drag and drop this up and then see where I got in at right here. Now, as I said earlier, from here to here is a pullback, and from here down to there is a complete reversal. And I also teach how to trade around the goal line, and that is why I took this trade. And this, to be honest with you, the FX trigger where the arrows are here, we're not playing a big part at this point in time. As you can see, this indicator is lagging. Came in over here. I jumped the gun a little bit quicker, as I know how to trade around the goal line. Now I did take the trade here at this cursor, and the same as the previous trade, when it was hitting around the average daily range low here, I just closed out the trade. Looks like I got 51 pips, and 51 pips on the pound dollar paid $5,100. So another great day of trading with my FX trigger system. And on this date, I got my daily quota. I aim for 100 pips, and once I get around 100 pips or more, I am done trading for the day. Today I ended up with 116 pips, and those 116 pips paid $10,171. So if your system is not producing, and remember, it's not just the system, you still have to learn how to trade. But if you're looking for a good system and some good education, well, it's definitely within the FX trigger system. And if you want to get some more information on it, all you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this right up. This is the FX trigger system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. This is what you have to learn, or you will never succeed. My FX trigger system comes with it's about 4.5 gigabytes, if I'm not mistaken. It's over 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 5 MT4 templates, 12 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. And as I mentioned earlier, you're going to need a lot of education to succeed. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways to trade. The one I'm looking for every day is this one right here, a great way to trade. Now I'm not going to go through all of these, but because there's a lot of ways to trade, and that's what you're paying the money for, there is a lot of education. There's 43 training videos. I threw in one bonus video right here, how to backtest using a trading simulator. Now anybody who buys the FX trigger system, I'll show you how you can get access to a trading simulator, which you can continue to practice trading over the weekend when the market is closed. In other words, you can do a year's, 6 months to a year's worth of back testing. You can put in trades, buy and sell. You can do hedging. You can do many, many different things. And you can get 6 months to a year's worth of trading experience, testing out any system that you have, and it will help your learning curve and you will get much better, much faster at trading. And that is included within the FX trigger system in the package. So you can put this on pause. If you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I do answer the phone unless I'm talking to somebody or busy. And if you live too far, simple, send me an email. Here's my email address. And remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I do prefer Skype. Again, I made it simple for you. Used to be complicated before, people trying to find me. So I got my own personal link right here. All you got to do is click on this link and we will have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. There's no obligation for that. And answer your questions and give you some tips and tricks for free. Now, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 32 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So that just about wraps up this video, and I'll repeat it one more time again. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, happy trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.